Hi, in this lesson, we see how to track calls from your website. So, as we have discussed, there are two types of tracking the calls from Google Ads, right? One is calls from your ads, and another is calls from your website. In the previous lesson, we have seen how to track the calls from your ads, right? And in this lesson, we see how to track the calls from your website. And in this, we have two types. One is calls to your phone number on your website, and another is clicks on your phone number on your mobile website, right? So let's see how to track calls to your phone number on your website. So I have been discussing from the beginning, right? So in order to track conversions, you need to have a conversion action setup, whatever the campaign it is, right? So let's create a conversion action first. Okay, so here I am in the conversion section of the Google Ads. Okay, and click on the new conversion action. Here, go to phone calls. So here we are seeing the second option, calls to your phone number on your website, right? Click on it and continue. Okay, so give a name. So this is, let's say, phone calls from your website, right? So let's give a value of 100 rupees. It is up to you what you wanted to give. And count, I am giving one because for one click, one user, and one conversion. If you click on the every, it means each time that user, the same user calls to you, it will be recorded as conversion each time. So there will be inflation. I mean, there will be inflating of the conversion numbers. So if you want to track one user, one conversion, then you go for the one option. Okay. So here you need to select the proper format. I am from India. So give the number accurately. Okay. So the number should be present on your website. It should be as it is. Okay. It should be as it is. There should not be any changes here. Copy and paste it here. So here enter the phone number callers should reach when they call from your website. This is your phone number, right? And here also you have to give the same number. You see here, enter the phone number people are seeing currently on your website, and that should be replaced by Google forwarding number. Be sure to enter it exactly as it appears on the site. So the meaning of this is when we set up the call ads in the previous lesson, what we have discussed about the Google forwarding number, right? So when you enable the reporting, Google forwarding number will appear to the users. So when the Google forwarding number will appear, users call to that Google forwarding number. So with that, first call goes to the Google server, and from Google server, call comes to the advertisers, right, to the client. So this is how Google tracks the conversions, right? Here, what happens when you place the code after creating this conversion action, you will be seen a snippet. When you place that snippet on this website, wherever this phone number is present, when a user clicks on our ad, whatever the ad it is, and whatever the campaign type it can be either PMAX, search, call, and YouTube, display, discovery, demand gen, whatever the campaign type it is. If he enters into our website through an ad, this phone number, this original phone number, will be replaced by Google forwarding number. Okay, so when a user sees this Google forwarding number, and if he calls with the help of this Google forwarding number, Google can track where the user has come from. Either it is from the website call, or it is from the ad call. Okay, so after he enters into our website, after we have placed the snippet on all these pages, as Google will change this original number to the Google forwarding number. So obviously, Google can track easily whether the user can convert or not. Right? I hope you are understanding me. So when you place the snippet on this website, and when a user enters into our website through an ad, this original phone number will be replaced by Google forwarding number. So if there is no ad, that means if a user enters into our website organically, he will see the original phone number only. But if he enters into our website through an ad, he will see the Google forwarding number. Please remember this. Okay. So let's create call length. It is up to you what you wanted to keep. I am keeping the default one. And conversion window, let it be as 30 days, and attribution be as uh, data driven, right? Just click on create and continue. Okay. This is simple. Okay. This is simple strategy, but a little advanced one. So click on install tag yourself. Let's install these tags. So as we have discussed earlier, Google tag should be present on each and every page of your website. So in this website, there is no Google tag. So let's install it. And this is the snippet. This snippet helps to change the original number to the Google forwarding number when a user comes to our website through an ad. Okay, it need not to be a call ad. It can be any ad. It can be from PMax, again it can be from YouTube demand gen, whatever the ad it is. If he enters into our website through an ad, this original number will be replaced with the Google forwarding number, right? So let's copy this uh, Google tag and go to website. I'm going to the backend. So if you are not sure how to do it, we make sure that your developers are present with you so that they can implement it in your website. Go to theme file editor. You can also use plugins that are available, but here I am using the theme file editor to install it directly on the website. So go to header.php, right? Let's see for header.php. Yeah, this is the one. So here you can install the Google tag. So let's install it here. This is the Google tag, and here only, if you see the snippet, let's read it. Okay, the phone snippet replaces a phone number on your website with a Google forwarding number, so you can see how effectively your ads leads to phone calls from your website. So we have discussed this, right? And copy the snippet below and paste it in between the head and head tags of the page where your phone number appears right after the Google tag. So it should be placed wherever your phone number is present. Okay, so here I am pasting it on the all pages. Okay, so there should not be any difference. Okay, either it is on a single page or every page, because phone number can appear on the whatever the pages you have defined, right? So here I am placing it on the all pages. Okay, there won't be much difference. So it is up to you how you wanted to install your snippet. And after installing it, just click on update. Okay, right? So let's see whether the codes are implemented or not. You can view page source, and here you can see the snippets. Okay, and let's see, this is the tag, right? Okay. Hmm, let's look for it. Google tag, right? Control F, Google tag. You see here, these are the snippets that we have placed, right? Yes, these are successfully installed. And now, how will you verify the conversion action? Let's go for the next and click on done. That's it. We have implemented your conversion action successfully. Now, if you see here in the phone call submission, it is inactive. This is the one, right? It is inactive. So it will start recording conversions. Okay. So once your ad appears on CRP or any of the Google properties, once you receive your first call, okay, at that time this conversion action will be automatically verified. I hope you are understanding. So here you do not to do anything. You only should do is, what you have to do is, you have to click on your ad, and at the phone call a Google forwarding number will appear. You have to call to that Google forwarding number, and by that you have to stay for 60 seconds. Here we have defined as 60 seconds, right? The conversion. So you have to stay for 60 seconds, and it will be recorded as a conversion, and your conversion action will be verified. That's it. This is very simple. You need not to do anything in order to verify the conversion action here. Okay. So I hope you are understanding this conversion action setup and the process how it works for recording the or for tracking the phone calls through website. So make sure that you assign this conversion action to proper campaigns. Okay. So because when you assign this conversion action to the campaigns, this will also have conversion data. Google will try to bring the similar kind of users to your website. Okay. Whoever will able to call to you, to your mobile number that is appearing on the website, right? So this is very simple. Okay, so I hope you are understanding this lesson and the concept involved in it. We will meet in the next one. Okay.